Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to Uptrending Share. I am your host Anil Sharma. Friends, today we will talk of one of the magnificent indicator, that is Bollinger Band. You can see this Bollinger Band here is very well. Now, Bollinger Band actually is a volatility indicator. That means whenever there is a volatility in the price, this indicator works very well in the volatile market. Friends, Bollinger Band consists of three bands. This band at the top is known as upper band. You can see this band. Band at the bottom is known as lower band. You can see this lower band all along. And there is one more band which is actually 20 simple moving average. Now this Bollinger Band, the median one, is designed in such a way so that it captures the volatility and moves with the price up and down exceedingly well. Now when the price is above the band, you can see this white one is the price above the band. This is actually overbought zone. And when the price is below the moving band, below the lower band, it is known as oversold zone. I will repeat friends once again. At the lower band the price is oversold, at the top it is overbought zone. So the price moves between the oversold and overbought zone. Friends, price always tends to come towards the middle line, that is 20 SMA. Sorry. This is actually above this line and band. There is a standard deviation of 2. There is a formula which is your computers and softwares are already catching very well. So this above this is deviation 1, and below this also is 1 deviation. So this is 1 plus 1, this is a 2 deviation, and the Bollinger Band captures 95% of the price action within the band. This is very impeccable, number one. Number two, if you want to increase the effectiveness from 78 or 80% to 95%, then the standard deviation you can always increase or decrease. But in standard charting tools, it is seen that 20 SMA is the best suited for the Bollinger Band. If you are highly skilled, you can definitely change it to match your skill. Now friends, strategically, Bollinger Band can be combined with moving average. Bollinger Band can be combined with RSI and MACD also very effectively, and this works very well in all the conditions. In my practice, friends, I have been using Bollinger Band in intraday trade and also in swing trading very effectively with the moving average. The time frame actually is for intraday trade. Friends, I will just convert it into the candlestick charts. For intraday trade, the time frame is 15 minutes candle and moving average of 3. I will explain you the rationale also. For swing trading, it is the daily chart, that means candle of 1 day, and the moving average of 3. Now moving average of 3 is nothing but it is the confirmation only. Now if you see this, I will just reduce this to a smaller size. Let me just check it if I can do it quickly. Yes. Now friends, you see this actually area, as I said, is a breakout area. This squeezed area is a breakout area. This shows that the price either will go up, the volatility is beginning, or it shows the volatility is coming down, or the volatility is increasing up or volatility is increasing down. When the volatility increases, this 20 DMA also increases side by side. So this is another indicator that price is, the breakout is on the up direction, and this is also an indicator it is a breakdown which is starting. Now friends, I have told you that moving average of 3 in daily charts works very well. See, we are using basically the Bollinger Band. So moving chart here at this point, had given signal. If you just see it here, the moving average of 3 had given signal at 45,504 that price actually is going up, whereas the Bollinger Band signal actually has come here when the price has moved out of the band. That means now this is in the overbought zone at 44,960. It is going up, going up, going up, going up, and when the price closes below this upper band, you have to sell it. It's a fantastic tool. There is no two opinion about this, right? Similarly, for those who are doing in future and options, friends, you can see here the price actually is coming down, coming down, coming down. Therefore, here actually this is a doji formed. Now you can take a position here. You can set a call option depending upon see, for the purpose of hedging, you can take a call option, and also you can take a put option. Now when you say you take a call option, your stop loss will be somewhere around 44.90, right? So you can take a position, you can sell a put option here with a stop loss here, and then you continue to go up. There is no till actually you reach here. Now point is that it is very difficult, sometimes to get the exact price where to exit. Therefore, you have to take a formal position of support and resistance also, and also see the option chain where actually you want to buy and where you want to sell. But yes, when it comes to future and options, you can take a buy position that from here the stock or the Nifty or the bank Nifty will start going up, and accordingly you put a stop loss here. Fine. Friends, this is all actually I want to tell you about Bollinger Band. Please do use this Bollinger Band. It can give you tons of money. It will give you quick money. It will give you money like rocket. I do not know how to actually explain this. In my opinion, I have used it when I was doing intraday trades often. That time I used to use it, but friends, of late I am not using it. Nevertheless, use your own opinion, use your own skill to do future and options with it, but with the equity, but with the stocks in the cash market, this works superbly, superbly and superbly. Please give me your comments. How did you like the video, friends? And like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.